Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 8 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter consumer math. The lessons we're going to talk about today are percent of a number, tax discount and more. Find the percent tax discount and more multi-step word problems is estimate tips. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I'm on chapter grade 8 math. Let's just start with the lesson consumer math. Percent of a number, tax discount and more. What is the sale price of banana originally priced at 0.28? So the discount is 25% of the original size. So you need to calculate 25% of 0.28. So we have to calculate 25 over 100 times 0.28. That would be 0.07. So that 0.07 is the discount. You need to calculate the sale price. So that is 0.28 minus 0.07. Let's just start with the test questions. Jenny wants to buy a ticket at an amusement park. The original price is $55.56. What is the sale price? So you need to calculate the sale price. So you need to calculate. First thing you need to calculate is discount. You have to do that is 75% of 55.56. That is 75% of 55.56. So the discount is $41.76. You need to calculate the sale price. So the sale price is the original price minus the So just subtract. That is 55.46 minus 41.76. That is 13.7. 13.69 is the correct option. Okay, Jenny, why am on the same question? Mike ate breakfast at a restaurant. The bill came $60.70. If he left a 20% tip, what was the total cost of his breakfast? Let's just calculate 20% tip, right? Twenty percent times th- mm, that is 12.14, right? Option one is the correct option. 72.84. Option number one is the correct option. What is the sale price of a hockey stick originally priced at $60.20? Let's just calculate 40% off 60.20, right? That is 24.08. You need to find the sale price now. So we have to do 40 minus 24 point. That is 60.20 minus. That is 36.12. Option number two is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Find the percent, tax discount, and more. A mother explained to her child that the price on the sign is not the total price for a model solar system because the price does not include tax. She points out that a $98 model She points out that the $98 model solar system actually cost 101.92 once the sale tax is added. What is the sale tax percentage? So it would be amount of change divided by original amount. So for the amount of change, we need to subtract the amount of the price with tax and the price without tax. That would be 101.92 minus $98. So that is 0.04. Let's just start with the test questions. A store manager instructs some new trainees that a hockey stick priced at $77 winds up costing a customer $2.39 once the sales tax is included. What is the sales tax percentage? So we need to calculate amount of change divided by the original amount. So let's just calculate the amount of change. It would be 82.39 minus 77. So that is 5.39 divided by 77 because 77 is the original price. That would be 0.07 times 100 is 7%. So option number one is the correct option, that is 7%. Leon rings up an item that costs $330. After sales tax, the total is $363. What is the sales tax percentage? Okay, so 363 minus 330 is 33. 33 divided by 330. That would be 10%. The correct option is So we need to calculate the sales tax percentage. So that would be amount of change divided by the original amount time 100. So that is 363 minus 330. That is 33 divided by. Okay, that is 10%. Option number 2 is the correct option. Kevin bought a briefcase for $69 that was originally priced at $75. What is the discount as a percentage? So the original price is 69, right? That is 6 over 69. That is $8. Option number 2 is the correct option. Megan, an accountant, observes that her company purchased guitars at a cost of $42 and, and is currently selling them at $63. What is the percentage in markup? So you need to calculate the amount of change, right? That would be 63 minus 42 over 42, right? That is 52%. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Multi-step problem with persons.